There's like one time where I'm like very aggressive.
That's tomorrow.
I guess I'm standing for
What's doing the meeting?
John, help us out.
last year.
My store press the ball rest.
I gave up the water.
Well, you did good.
Dude, that was one of the
Yeah, I know. What did you buy that? Damn it. Meow.
Yo, I saw you. Dude.
break.
Break? Yeah, I love it. Oh, I love it.
Man, I don't know what I'm gonna do though. Let's see.
Oh, you look sick. Later, guys. We're leaving. Yeah, sick.